trusting the people around you is probably the number one trait of a high-performing team. So if you want to have a great work environment, less stress, high productivity, you have to be trustworthy, and the people around you have to be trustworthy. And I've tried to break this down into the simplest terms possible. And what I've come up with is doing things right, always doing your job right, doing it on time. People expect things in a certain time frame, and it's hitting that, and handing it off clean. And so what that means is, whether you're passing off to another teammate, whether you're passing it off to the customer, the end user, whatever, it's making sure that it's done right every time, it's done on time every time, and then you pass it off in a way that the people understand it, and it's good. So whether you're bagging groceries at a grocery store, make sure you do it right. You put it in there right, make sure you do it timely, and make sure that you hand it off to the customer. Hey, thank you for coming today, in a nice way. So, or if you're in you're a salesperson doing something where the next person in line is, say, operations, it's making sure you got everything done the right way. Like, you got your house in order. Everything's done in a way that's thoughtful and correct and right expectations. Do it in a timely fashion, and then handing it off to the next person, to operations, in a way that they'll understand it. So you've been working with this customer for a while, you understand it, but you got to make sure the next person understands it. And that's a big trick sometimes. And so if you just think about that every day, so today, after you watch this, if you're watching it tonight, tomorrow, think about those three things. Am I doing things the right way every time? Am I doing it in a timely fashion? And am I handing off to the next person, whoever that next person is, whether the customer, end user, or the next person in the company? Am I doing that clean? Am I handing that off clean in a way that they can understand it as well as I do? And so if you do that, you do that tomorrow, do that today if you can, and do it this whole week, and see how it goes, and be real thoughtful about it. I think that's going to help you become a trustworthy person, and I think other people will notice and try to do the same, and that's how you have a team that runs on trust.